Tila natameme nga si Alice Go at Mayor Kalugay matapos nga na aminin ni Mary Ann Maslog ang mga nalalaman nito sa iligal na trabaho ni Alice Go at ang tunay nitong kaugnayan kay Mayor Kalugay. Narito panoorin ang buong video na ikinagimbal ng lahat.
Kilala mo ba si Alice Go?
Sir, I know of Alice Go.
You
Could I
know-
add to the question of SP Pro Tempore? Ever mo ba na-meet si Guo Huaping?
Yes, ma'am.
You have.
I have.
Ano yung mga circumstansya ng pag-meet nyo sa kanya? So you know her, not just know of her. Kasi paano kayo nag-meet?
Well, I met Miss Alice. The first time I met Miss Alice was in Indonesia
Mhm.
through a video.
Through a video.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit mo siya na-meet through a video sa Indonesia? And why were you there?
Can I go back to how I went to Indonesia po?
Okay, kung context yun ng how you met Guo Huaping.
Prior to few months or weeks prior to going to Indonesia, I was tapped to possibly talk to Alice,
Tapped by?
PNP, if it's possible to, because
Are
she
you a
was
member of
supposed-
Who is
PNP?
PNP, Madam Chair? PNP in particular.
Senator De La Rosa.
PNP in particular. Sino?
the intelligence group, sir.
Sino? Name?
Sir, it's the IG group, sir.
IG Group.
Yes.
But I have an information.
So,
Member
No,
ba
no,
kayo
give
ng
us the name.
member
Give us
ba
the
kayo
name.
ng PNP-IG?
no, ma'am.
But
So, anong
we've
pangalan?
been waiting. Who is it?
S- General Macapas po.
Makapas?
General Macapas. So
So,
why?
paano nyo na-meet si si Guo Huaping through General Macapas in
No,
Indonesia?
I did not meet Alice through General Macapas.
So,
I was informed.
How did you meet her?
I was tapped po kasi they know that I am a friend of Mayor Kalugay.
okay, friend kayo ni Mayor Kalugay.
Yes.
How
And
are you a friend of Mayor Kalugay?
I've met Mayor Kalugay 2022 through
How?
Dante Katabay.
Dante Katabay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, how did
Madam
you...
Chair. Madam
Yes,
Chair. Rowan,
Senator De La Rosa.
can you confirm that? Mayor
Yes.
Kalugay? Mayor Kalugay? Can you confirm that? Kilala kayo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator De La Rosa. Salamat kayo. So, okay, so you met Mayor Kalugay through Dante Katabay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baka gusto pa namin i-pursue yan. But continue muna, paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping? At anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na, kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice.
Who's
So, ang nangyari
Who's
po,
talk that she would
then,
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So, I talked to Mayor Kalugay if
Ah.
there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontakt mo si Guo Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told
Oh.
by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's it.
Okay, so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Guo Huaping.
Yes,
O,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. O, kita mo.
Natatawa pa
Guo
po yung
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Miss Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Guo Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po, he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano
has
nyo
no
finally
way.
na-contact si
He said
Guo
po,
Huaping?
he has no way of contacting Alice.
So, paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was so we backtrack and
Madam Chair. Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Ah, gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo na tulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go?
Yes, sir.
Siya ang...
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. Kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
Hindi. Ang tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Macapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Macapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If
Ikaw,
he knows
kalaruin natin,
po-
ikaw ang nilapitan ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Macapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So, meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas, ha?
Yes.
So, nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Salamat
if I may,
kayo,
I just-
Senator
I
De
just-
La Rosa.
sorry,
Senator
sorry,
Joel.
Madam Chair, because I'm not buying a lot of lies here. We have heard too much lies, Madam Chair. You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him. So, General, following your story, if General Macapas stopped you, you must have something no one actually has or possess that kind of skill. Because you were able to pull that thing that you were supposed to be dead for so long and now you're alive. So tell us, why were you tapped by General Macapas? And for what?
That's the only thing, Your Honor, like what I said,
Madam Chair?
because of my relationship with the mayor.
Hindi.
Senator De La Rosa.
You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him. So, following your story, if General Macapas stopped you, you must have something no one actually has or possess that kind of skill. Because you were able to pull that thing that you were supposed to be dead for so long and now you're alive. So tell us, why were you topped by General Macapas? And for what?
That's the only thing, Your Honor, like what I said,
Madam Chair?
because of my relationship with the mayor.
Hindi,
Senator De La Rosa.
hindi kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil parang hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that? Hindi nag-materialize ngayon. Ano? Huli ka. Huli ka, di ba? Huli ka ngayon.
In fairness to General Macapas po, he knows me as Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Did you visit Alice Go doon sa detention niya sa dito muna.
Senator De La Rosa, if I may, backtrack ng konti.
Backtrack ko.
Opo. Paano kayo nag-usap ni Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Video call ba yon? O sino nag-arrange nun? Paano kayo nag-usap?
Your Honor, I went to Indonesia 2 times.
Uh-huh.
The first time po kasi was, there was a talk that Alice is ready to surrender.
Okay.
So ano
Kaya po-
pakialam mo dun? Punta kay Indonesia para kausapin si Alice Go. Hindi talaga, ano pa talaga pakialam mo dun?
Oo nga eh.
Ha?
Kanina, tinanong ko rin, PNPIG member ba kayo?
CIA ka ba?
Hindi rin.
Remember ha, kahit na
Senator
nakakulong
De La
ka,
Rosa.
you are under oath. Ha?
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali ka
making up
mahuli dito.
stories, sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair,
You convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your case.
Yeah.
Kaya pag hindi ka sasagot,
Mm-mm.
you can be
Cited.
cited in contempt.
At saka, who told you that Guo Huaping was in Indonesia? Eh nung panahong
nga.
yun, sinasabi pa ng PNP na
Nandito.
at ng law enforcement in general na hindi pa nila alam noon na umalis si Guo Huaping. So, paano mo alam na nandun pala siya sa Indonesia?
Actually, Your Honor, that happened after your announcement po.
So, you heard about it, General Makapas heard about it, or PNPIG heard about it, and you're the person they sent to meet her in Indonesia?
No,
So what happened? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Was it face-to-face? Was it a video call? How did you do it?
there was a pre-talk po here because
By video?
No,
No.
dito pa po sa Pilipinas, Your Honor, before
Face
we
to
went to
face.
Indonesia. No, Your
No.
Honor. It was through a telephone call.
Okay.
It was through a telephone call that she signified na surrender po siya.
Okay.
Then, during the time po, when she signified na magsusurrender po siya, sabi niya, susulat daw muna siya. She will write everything daw po muna.
Right what?
Kung ano ang the real story
Uh-huh.
bago po siya mag-surrender.
Okay.
Para po, if something happens to her, then may makakaalam.
What something would happen to her?
I don't know, Your Honor, but
Mhm.
that was the words during that time po.
May makakaalam.
Yes po.
And
So,
then,
we did not know that she was in Indonesia. She
Who-
was,
who we? PNPIG and General Macapas and you?
I actually keep in touch with
With whom?
with the lawyer, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney David. Okay.
Yes,
And then?
Your Honor. And we really tried our best na sana mag-surrender siya kasi gusto naman po talaga daw niyang mag-surrender.
Madam Chair, if I
Okay.
may.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Who are you to mediate? Who gave you the authority to go to Indonesia and talk to Alice Go?
Actually, we were not the first time po, Your Honor, we were not able to talk to Alice Go.
Yes.
The first-
You told me that you told us, the committee, that you went to Indonesia
Yes,
Correct?
Your Honor.
just to
Yes.
talk to Alice Go and
For
let
her
her
to surrender po. Yes,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes. Who are you nga to do so? Who are you to mediate? Did Secretary Abalos or the Chief PNP give you the go signal to talk to her? I don't think
No,
so.
no, sir.
Oh, so who gave you the go signal to talk to her? You being a private
Civilian.
citizen. You're not even connected in any government agency here. Correct?
Yes, Your
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her, to go to Indonesia, just to talk to her for her surrender?
Well,
Huh?
I was just helping, Your Honor.
Excuse
You
me?
were what? You were just helping.
You are just
Helping who?
My
It's a
goodness.
very
Helping who,
sensitive
Madam Chair?
case.
Helping
Senator
who?
De La Rosa.
This is too much lie, Madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si yung
Promise.
helping who?
Helping.
Sino? Sino tinutulungan mo?
You know why you're lying? You keep on telling us baloney information. You said you were top because you're friends with Mayor Kalugay. Now you don't need Mayor Kalugay to talk to her because apparently you've been talking to her before you went to Indonesia.
Speaking
Only
of
on a challenge.
Indonesia, just a minute, could we ask the BI to confirm si Miss Maslog ba or using the name of Francisco, pumunta ba siyang Indonesia at that time?
We will verify your.
Please po, and if possible, Commissioner, during this hearing, Senator Sherwin?
Madam Chair, just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito, at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong. Dapat maalala natin na kung buhay pa ito, nakakulong na ho ngayon, 26 years ago.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na?
SP Pro Tempore.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na? Para matakasan mo yung kaso, ganun ba? Yun na sigurong solusyon. Nagpanggap na patay ka na. Sagot. Come on. The answer.
Miss Maslog?
That case still pending, sir, in Sandigan Bayan, sir.
Sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung una at sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung pangalawa? At tumira ka ba doon sa Indonesia? Sino
We-
nagbayad ng hotel mo?
We only stayed there, sir, for 1 day, sir.
Balikan.
2 days po. 2 days.
So,
Opo.
sino nagbayad ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government.
Sinong government? Sinong
Bakit
government?
nililifat ng government? Di ka naman ng
Alam mo,
Philippine
Hirap.
government?
hirap na hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahente pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa na you are not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG. Kaya the more kami nagsususpek na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Ha? Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a while? A little bit.
You certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon
before-
akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not the statement. But I'm saying we were talking about ano po sa kanya yung how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
SP Pro Tempore.
Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo. Ha? Ha? For the record. Meron kong informasyon, ha, na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magsuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong
sir.
purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 beses ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.
At sino kasama mo?
Like what I said, sir, ang kasama ko po pagpunta doon sa Indonesia ay IG po.
Ang
We have
tinatanong ni
General Macapas online
Sen.
to
Bato,
cross-check.
sino ang kasama mo pumunta sa kulungan ni Alice Go? Yun ang tanong ko.
Ako lang po, tsaka si attorney po.
Hindi ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor.
O opisyal.
Ikaw, ano relasyon mo sa kanya? Doktor ka ba?
No, sir.
Pari ka ba? O ano ka ba?
No, sir.
O ano?
I don't have a
Abogado ka ba?
No, sir.
O paano ka nakapasok? Who initiated the meeting? And how did you enter the custodial center?
The first time po na pumasok po kami doon, I was still with IG po.
So at this point, I think we should ask General Macapas dahil online na sila. We need to fact check so many of these things na sinasabi ni Ms. Maslog. General Macapas, online na po kayo, nakikita namin kayo. Pwede nyo pong buksan yung audio ninyo so we can hear you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Your Honor.
General. General, hindi pa kayo nakapagsumpa, no? Dito sa hearing namin.
Yes, Your Honor. Wala pa po.
Okay, Comsec, pakipasumpain si General.
Sir, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Please state your name,
I, Police Brigadier General Romeo Juan Macapas,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will tell the truth,
that I will tell the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth
and nothing but the truth
to this committee.
to this committee.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat, Comsec. Salamat, General.
Gusto ko malaman, bakit anong authority yung binigay mo sa kanya that she is acting like your right hand in the PNP IG to the point that she's saying na yung gastos niya nire-reimburse niya sa PNP IG. Is that correct? Ano yung authority na binigay mo sa kanya? Na she could always parang 24/7 will have an access to Indonesian authorities, talking to Interpol, etc. Did you give her that access, General?
Your Honors,
Authority?
Your Honors, please, except doon sa pagiging contact lang kay Alice, wala na po siyang ibang authority, Your Honor.
Were you clear about it? Were you clear about it when you told her, ito lang ang role mo? Because, alam mo, tatamaan ka rito, General, kung binigyan mo ng blanket authority, itong hindi natin makilala kung sino talaga. Nabuhay mula sa patay eh.
If I may interject, Senator Joel, General, sinabi pa ni Ms. Maslog, yung ticket daw niya papuntang Indonesia, ni-reimburse daw ng PNP IG. So
Wala
ano nga po
po.
itong mga parang special authorization na nangyayari?
Wala pong katotohanan yan, Your Honors. Wala po kaming ganung kalaking panggastos.
So, Madam Chair, sinong namamasahe sa
Senator-
kanya? Sinong mamamasahe sa kanya?
Yes, sir.
General.
If I may, sir.
Sino?
Sa
Gastos
General,
lang po niya yung sarili, sir.
Sarili niya.
iba yung
Opo.
sinabi niya.
Napakagaling naman. Gagastos niya para sa ganung effort. Tapos sabi niya, nire-refund
Nire-reimburse
daw ng
niya.
IG. Alam mo,
Senator-
General Macapas, in
Sir.
this case, pareho tayong galing sa IG. This case, Mary Ann Maslog is your action agent. Ikaw ang agent.
Handler,
Ano
sir.
ka?
Handler,
Ano ka?
sir.
Agent, handler, or manager?
Ako na mismo ang handler, sir, dahil ako lang ang may nakakilala sa kanya.
Okay. Okay. Ngayon, you're the agent handler. She is the action agent. Paano to siya nakakuha ng linya doon sa Indonesian National Police without your knowledge na ikaw mismo ang handler? Bakit nakadirekta siya doon? Tinitext daw siya ng Indonesian authorities na huli na namin si Alex Go. Andito na. Ikaw hindi mo alam. You're the IG director, I suppose. But ngayon, saan ka na ba ngayon?
Currently, sir, I am still holding the IG, sir.
IG ka pa rin. Pero you're incoming RD.
RD Barm, sir. Yes, sir.
Ng
Barm, sir. Yes, sir.
Farm. Congratulations.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good accomplishments.
Yes,
You're
sir.
from IG, you're now RD. That's quite
Yes,
a
sir.
big feather on your cap. Congratulations, Ewa. Congratulations. Pero my question remains, paano nangyari na ikaw ang agent handler ng isang action agent na siya nang dumidirekta doon nakipag-connect sa Indonesian National Police? Ikaw na blind ka.
I have no idea, sir, actually. Kasi pumutok yung balita, sir, na nahuli si Alice Guo 7 o'clock in the morning sa TV natin. During that time, sir, nakipag-Zoom conference na po kami with the Indonesian authorities. Kasama ko po si Chief PNP, pati yung contacts namin sa counterpart natin dito, yung attaché nila dito, pati yung Indonesian Police. Hindi po kami dumaan sa kay Ma'am Jessica. Alam namin na nahuli na Indonesian Police, sir, ang nagsasabi sa amin. Ngayon yung si Ma'am Jessica,
Di ba, sandali. Di
Yes,
ba, during the previous hearing, kinongratulate pa kita, pinagmayabang pa kita sa committee
Yes,
na
sir.
yung IG nagtatrabaho yan kahit na walang intelligence fund. Di
Yes,
ba?
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, dahil kayo, sa buong Pilipinas, kayong unang nakakaalam that Alice Go has left the country already.
August 14 pa lang,
August 14.
Senator De La Rosa.
Exact, Madam Chair.
Yes,
Di
sir.
ba?
Yes,
O kayo ang nakauna nakakaalam na nahuli ay nakalabas na pala.
Yes, sir.
Congratulate kita.
Yes,
Mga
sir.
job
Thank you, sir.
yan. O ngayon, itong agent mo, hindi mo na na-handle lang properly. So, there is an agent mishandling in this case. Bakit siya nakakadirekta doon sa Indonesian National Police? Or, meron kang alam na mas mabigat na trabaho na ibinigay dito kay Mary Ann Maslog, kaya wala kang control sa kanya because somebody above you is controlling Mary Ann Maslog. I have an information. You cannot deny to me. I have a very, very accurate information na siya ay inuutusan ng somebody from Malacanang para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit implicating President Duterte, Senator Bongo, Senator Bato, and General Karamat as the people behind the operation of Pogo. I have a very, very A1 information.
Sir, if I may, sir, if I may, Your Honors,
Yes, General.
Yeah.
as to the connection of Ma'am Jessica to the Malacanang, sir, wala po akong alam dyan. Kasi ang pinag-usapan lang talaga namin, sir, ay yung whereabouts lang ni Alice.
Pero if I may interject, Senator De La Rosa, meron ding baliktad na sinabi si Miss Maslog sa amin kanina na sumama siya sa inyo nung naaresto na si Guo Huaping sa Indonesia, na pareho pa rin daw ang mission niya na kumbinsihin si Guo Huaping mag-surrender. Huli na nga, arestado na nga, no choice na babalik talaga sa Pilipinas. So, bakit kasama pa siya dun sa pangalawang trip niyo sa Indonesia?
Your Honors, please, the second time na kinuha namin si Alice, right after nung nalaman yung pumutok sa media na aresto na si Alice, Doktora Jessica called me up. Ang sabi niya, pupuntahan niya si Alice. Kasi during the time, Your Honors, nag-arrange na po si Secretary Abalos na kukunin namin sa Indonesia. Hindi po siya kasama. We were on our trip, si Secretary Abalos, si Chief PNP, ako, pumunta ng Indonesia on a private plane, yung contact ni Secretary Abalos po. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan siya pumunta doon at hindi
Pumunta
ko rin
siya ng
alam.
mag-isa niya, sir. Hindi kasama ninyo.
Hindi po, Your Honors. Hindi po namin siya kasama.
Sino nag-authorize sa kanyang pumunta? At bakit siya pinayagang pumunta at sumama?
Hindi po namin siya kasama, Your Honors. The second time na kinuha namin si Alice, hindi po namin siya kasama.
Madam Chair.
Pero
SP
nakita siya doon.
Before I call
Nakita siya
SP
doon.
Pro Tempore, si Senator Sherwin kanina pa.
But-
And then
Madam Chair,
SP Pro
quick
Tempore.
interjection lang. General, bakit hindi kayo dumiretso kay Attorney David? Halos araw-araw nasa TV siya. Kung kami nga nakakadiretso kay Attorney David pag iinimbitahan namin dito, bakit hindi pa kayo dumiretso doon at nakinig pa kayo sa isang pugante?
Your Honors, ganito po. Wala po kasi akong personal talaga na punta kay Attorney David.
Sa laki ho ng PNP, Intelligence Group, hindi ba ho niyo pwedeng diretsang i-access na lang po si Attorney David? Pangalawa, Intelligence Group po kayo. Ang kausap niyo ho, pugante ho to. Nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap na patay at tumakbo sa Amerika. At ngayon, ginagamit niyo siya. Criminal ho to. Bakit hindi niyo na-detect as Intelligence Group?
Your Honors, please, we came on to know only nung sinare na yun ng information ng NBI with us kung sino siya. Wala po. Initially, hindi po namin siya nakilala, Your Honors.
Parang ang ano ko ang napipick up ko ho dito, naisahan ho kayo.
Pare-pareho kayong na-scam.
Kayo
Big
nga
time.
intelligence pero siya pa may matibay na intelligence kung paano ho kayong lokohin.
Big time na isahan kayo.
Madam
Kasi
Chair.
sabi ni, before I call SP Pro Tempore, sabi ni Ms. Maslog kay Attorney David, may kilala daw siyang PNP top brass. Pero sabi naman niya sa PNP, may contact siya kay Guo Huaping. So, pareho kayong na-scam. SP Pro Tempore.
Hindi na-scam, Madam
General.
Chair. Sa akin, hindi na-scam. yung
Ibig mo
PNP.
sabihin lahat
Hindi
pa
ganun kabubo yung intelligence group na may scam.
Okay,
I know.
thank you,
There's
Senator De La Rosa.
Something heavier,
Yung
something
tinatanong niya,
bigger behind.
pending pa
everything.
yun.
Hindi yan ganyan
May ibang intensyon.
basta-basta. Hindi basta-basta
May
maloko
ibang
ang intelligence group. Napakagaling na mga tao dyan. Diyan na yan nag-start maging police sa intelligence group hanggang mag-retire dyan na yan. Kaya kuan yan, very sharp intelligence operative yung mga tao dyan.
Paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping at anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice.
Who's
So, ang nangyari
Who's
po,
talk that she would
then
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So I talked to Mayor Kalugay if there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontakt mo si Guo Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told
Oh.
by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's
Okay,
it.
so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Guo Huaping.
Yes,
O,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. O, kita mo.
Natatawa pa
Guo
po yung
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Ms. Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Guo Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano
has
nyo
no
finally
way-
na-contact si
He said
Guo
po,
Huaping?
he has no way of contacting Alice.
So, paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was so we backtrack and
Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Ah, gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo na tulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go?
Yes, sir.
Siya ang...
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. Kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
Hindi. Ang tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Macapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Macapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If
Ikaw,
he knows
klaruhin natin,
po-
ikaw ang nilapitan ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Macapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So, meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas, ha?
Yes.
So, nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.